How to make Windows 11 taskbar transparent, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Windows 11 taskbar transparent. Let's get started. At first, open the Microsoft Store and search for Translucent TB. Click on Get to download and install the app. Once installed, open Translucent TB. Click on Open. And that's it. You now know how to make your Windows 11 taskbar transparent, simple and easy guide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.